You can add a SharePoint document library to Microsoft Teams for easy access to all your files right from the Teams interface. First, navigate to the team you'd like the SharePoint library to be accessible from. Click the plus button from the tabs bar and choose Document Library. We don't want to use the SharePoint tile here because that will only allow us to link to SharePoint pages from this team site. Instead, we want to link to a SharePoint document library from our organization's shared SharePoint site. Wait for Teams to find sites from your organization, or you can copy the link to your site directly from your browser. I'm going to choose Marketing because this is the sales and marketing team. Then click Next. From here, you can choose which document library you'd like to use. The site I've picked only has one, but yours might have more. You can only link to one document library per tab on your team page. Then, click Next again. Here, we can put in a name for the tab in Teams, and we'll click Save to add our SharePoint document library. You can see that my new tab has popped up here. If I click on it, I see all the files I would see if I navigated to this document library in a browser window. I can click on any folder I want and use the breadcrumbs to return to different levels of my SharePoint hierarchy. I can add new files and folders here with the New button, or use the Upload button to add new files for my computer. Any changes you make here will be reflected directly in SharePoint. I can right-click or use the ellipsis icon to edit files directly in Teams, or I can open the respective online or desktop app. For more information about editing and working with files in Teams, see my video, How to Edit Files Directly in Teams. If at any time I feel like I need to be working directly in SharePoint, I can click Open in SharePoint to bring up this page in SharePoint from a browser window. If I want to share the link to a file, I can select a document to share a link directly to that document, or select nothing to share a link to the current folder. I want a link to this folder, so I'm going to leave nothing selected and choose the Git Link option from the toolbar here. From here, I can get a Teams link, which is a link to the file where it lives in this Marketing SharePoint tab of my sales and marketing team, or I can share the link to it directly on SharePoint. That's how you add a document library for easy access to your files in Microsoft Teams.